Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about compound interest and exercise 8.3. So start our video, some basic concept. So our first term is interest. Interest is the extra money paid by the institution like bank, post office on the money deposited with them. Then formula of simple interest is P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100, where P is known as principal. It means money that we deposited. R is the rate and T stands for time. Formula of compound interest is amount is equal to principal 1 plus rate divided by 100 and multiplied by time. We can calculate compound interest by subtracting principal from amount. Now we are going to start exercise 8.3 and first question is calculate the amount and compound interest on. First part is rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12.5% per annum compound annually. So for solving this question, first we note down all the information from the question, and here it is given in the question that principal is rupees 10,800, time is 3 years and rate is 12 whole 1 upon 2%. First we reduce this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we have 25 upon 2% per annum. It is the rate, and formula of calculating amount is A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 whole power 2. First we put all the values from the question. So we have 10,800, it is the principal, and 1 plus in the place of rate we put here 25 upon 2 divided by 100, and in the place of T we write here 3. So we have 10,800 multiplied by 1 plus 25 upon 200 whole power 3. 10,800 multiplied by 200 plus 25 divided by 200 whole power 3. 10,800 multiplied by 225 upon 200 whole power 3. We can reduce 225 divided by 200 as 9 upon 8. In the next step we are going to expand 9 upon 8 whole power 3. It means 9 upon 8 multiply by 9 upon 8 multiply by 9 upon 8. After solving this step we have rupees 15,377 and 34 paisa. Now for calculating compound interest we have to subtract principal from the amount. Here amount is 15,377 rupees 35 paisa and principal is 10,800 rupees. After subtraction we have 4,377 rupees 35 paisa. Now second part of this question is we have to calculate amount and compound interest on rupees 18,000 for 2.5 years at the rate of 10% per annum. So first we write down all the information from the question. Here it is given in the question that principal is rupees 18,000 and time is 2.5 years and rate is 10% per annum. The amount for rupees 2.5 year, it means 2 year and 6 month, can be calculated first. First calculating the amount to 2 year using CI formula, and then calculating simple interest by using SI formula. So first we are going to use CI formula, and this formula is amount is equal to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 whole power time, and then we put all the values from the given question. Here principal is rupees 18,000 and rate is 10% and time is 2 year. So after calculating this portion, we have rupees 21,780. It is the amount for 2 year. In the next step, we have to calculate simple interest for half year. So SI is equal to P multiply by R multiply by T upon 100, and here principal is 21,780, rate is 10% and time is 1.5 year. After calculating this step, we have rupees 1,089. For calculating total CI, we have to add 3,781 plus rupees 1,089. So total CI is rupees 4,869. For calculating amount, we have to add principal and interest. So principal after 2 years is 21,780 and amount and interest is 1,089. After adding this, we have 22,869. So total amount is 22,869 and CI is 4,869. Next part is we have to calculate amount and compound interest on rupees 62,500 for 1.5 year at the rate of 8% per annum compound half yearly. So it is given in the question that principal is rupees 62,500, time 1.5 year and amount is 8%. For calculating compound interest half yearly, we double the time and take half of the amount. So half of the amount is 4% and double of the time is 3 years. Now put all the values from the question in our formula, and formula is A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 whole power T. So principal is rupees 62,500, rate is 4% and time is 3 years. After calculating this question, we have rupees 70,304. It is the amount for this question, and for calculating compound interest, we have to subtract principal from the amount. So after subtracting principal from the amount, we have rupees 7,804. It is the CI. In this way, you can solve remaining part of this question.